Hi everyone, my name is Nate Taylor, and welcome to my course, Managing Files with Node.js. I am a solutions architect at Avature in Omaha, Nebraska. Node makes it easy to open a file, read its contents, and use that data in a way that makes sense to your application. In addition to reading contents, Node's file system API also simplifies adding data to a file, such as appending data to a log file. This course is designed to quickly get you up to speed on the file system API. You'll be able to manipulate files right out of the gate. Some of the major topics that we will cover include reading files, writing files, and handling streams. By the end of this course, you'll know how to open, read from, and write to a file. And you'll know when to use streams instead of file manipulation. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with JavaScript, particularly Node.js. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn file manipulation with the Managing Files with Node.js course at Pluralsight.